wonderful people, welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Inga here. Welcome. And if you are new here, just go ahead and smash that subscribe button. We would love to have you a part of this Queen's Nation. Today I'm doing a water resistant long wear lip gloss, but before that, you guys can go and hit me up on Instagram. Just follow me there. I have 2 platforms there, and I would love to have your support on Instagram. So like these videos and turn on your notifications. Come on. So I really wanted to show you guys how the Citrine Wax really look. It's like these little hard little balls or crystal bubbles. If you guys can see, this is the wax hair that has to be melted. And let me tell you a bit about it. So Citrine Clear Wax can be used to emulsify mixtures containing natural oils. It also can help ensure successful emulsification of the natural oils and any water or water-based ingredients. At the same time, the wax can create a protective barrier which prevents any water loss due to external environment, resulting in a sleek, clump-free texture. And you know we always look for a sleek, smooth finish in our glosses. So a little goes a long way, it says, and the waxes must be heated to their melting point. Okay, and the natural oils are castor oil, avocado oil, jojoba oil, and meadow foam seed oil. So some of the benefits of the wax is that it improves wear durability. It has SPF boosting against harmful UV radiation, and it enhances a shiny finish to the products, especially your lip glosses. It also improves pigmentation, dispersion of high color payout. Yeah. So this is a good investment and something like you should try incorporating it into your lip glosses. I think this is a game changer. It's been around for a while, but we have not been using it like that. But I'm going to show you some examples of the sleek look that it gives the lip gloss. It's long wear, water resistant, and yeah, so you guys can just stay tuned. And let me just show you what's going on with this. I think you're gonna like it. So I went ahead and I did a swatch. I'm giving you guys a sneak preview. Look how slick it is. The thickness of it. It's, like I said, long wear, long lasting. And you can tell it has a nice sleek or slick effect. And it's not really loose and it's not too thick. It's a really nice consistency. It feels great on the lips and it's very pigmented. So hey guys, here's what I'm going to be using today. This is the little rubber bowlie that you guys have seen me use before, and it's from TKP. This is a spoon that I usually use, and these are some of the little gadgets and scoops that I use, and these are also from TKP. I'm going to be using this True Red Orange mica, and it's for the lips. Also, this is my Versagel and some vitamin E. And we will be using some wax also. So I'm just going to be adding 20 grams rather of the Versagel, and it's like a little less than an ounce. It's like 0.7, maybe 5 ounces. Okay, like this much. So I mainly did that for the measurements, but I'm going to transfer it into this glass jar because we're going to do a little meltdown. So we're just going to put this into this glass jar so I can melt it down. So like I said, it's like 20 grams of the Versagel. So I'm going to scoop out about 4 grams of this wax. So that's about 4 grams. And then we will be heading over to our warming plate and just giving this a bit of a warm. So there you have it. It's on the warming plate, and I'm just gonna let everything melt in, and then I will remove it and let it get a little bit cool, and then we'll go from there. What you can also do is you can place it in the microwave if you have one, and it's a bit quicker, but I rather doing it on this. If you watch my previous videos, I like to warm it on this heating plate. So as you guys can see, that's warm, and I'm just going to remove it to give it a cool down. So with this, I'm just going to be using this pad here because it's a heat safe pad, and I'm just going to remove it on the other side to get a little bit cool. So like I said, you do not have to use a heat plate. The reason why I took off my gloves is because this is all really warm, extra warm, so those plastic gloves wouldn't work. My hands are clean and already sanitized and everything. So this is what you have here. This is the look of it. The wax melted. And we're just gonna let that cool down completely. So it has cooled down quite a bit, and as we can see, this is the consistency that it has. It's a little bit on the thick side. I'm just gonna put a little bit of vitamin E in here, and we're also gonna add some flavoring. Okay, so this is the gloss base that has the Citrine Wax in it. It's supposed to be long-lasting, water resistant. So I'm just gonna add, this is what I got, the mica, and this is the True Red Orange. So we're gonna use some of this in it. Using my little scooper. I'm gonna add 2 scoops of that. I'm gonna add 1 more scoop with some glitter. I love this color. This color is surprising me already. Wow. Okay, so I added some of the extra fine lip glitter. I thought it was recording, but it wasn't. So if you want it a little bit loose, you can always add a tad bit of the vitamin E oil. But the wax has it really, really glossy, so. And then we're gonna do a swatch. So as you can see, I'm about to apply this now, and it's going on very smoothly. You see that slick it has? You can just tell it's not thin, it's not too thick. It's just the right consistency, like as I said earlier. And this is very durable. It will not come off your lips as easily as the regular gloss base that doesn't have the wax in it. So as you can see, I'm rubbing right here, and the color is still there. It's still pigmented, versus if I were just using the regular gloss base without the wax, it would just wipe off easily and be transparent like. So I'm just gonna demonstrate a little bit of water here, And as you can see, it just glides off immediately off the skin. Just think of it as being on your lips. What says a lot about the lip gloss. And there you have it again. I'm rubbing it with that water on top of it, so you can see that it's water resistant and it's actually long wear pigmented, will last longer on your lips. And here it is again as a base in this little cuppy rubbery jar. So if you've been in the lip gloss business for a while, or even if you're new, I think you should give this a try just to see how it comes out and to see if you would like it. It will definitely change the game for your glosses. Okay, so that's the end of the video. Hope you guys enjoy it. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and turn on your notifications, and I will see you lovely people in my next video. Bye bye, lovelies.